Okay, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can easily draw a face. So, of course, this sketch is a little too much. You can always start with just the face. Quick tutorial on that I will show you also on my channel. But as we just go on, here for demonstration reasons, how do we start drawing the face? So, first of all, we just need 2 or 3 important guidelines, which start first of all from the top of the ears. We just draw the line, and on the bottom of the ear we just finish the line. So this is the guideline for us for our eyes. Then we just come along and just draw a guideline down here. And this is, mostly the middle of the face, you know. Always just look out for if the head is a little tilted or not. And what we're going to do is we are just putting the eyes, which come in this proportion, you know. These are the eyes. So we're just going to start out like this. Also, you can just take a bit of the space right here. You don't have to use all of the height or all of the length of these lines. I would recommend you practice with all the length but not the height, so the eyes don't look too anime style, you know. So we're just going to draw the eyes right here. First line and second line, you know. And bottom of the eye also. Which looks like this, you know. So you have 2 eyes. Then we are going to continue with the nose. And for the nose, I really like to just draw a basic little curved line right here. And then we just can look out where the jawline starts. Then we can put our little lines right here for the nose, and then we just search for the middle of that, and we can just put on the mouth, you know. So basically this is really only for you to understand how the face works. So I think this eye hasn't the right proportions, you know. You can always correct it. If you feel like something is odd, just erase it, look out for the right proportions. So this is definitely too curved, you know. So we're going to start again with a little bit. That's much better, you know. And this is just the really rough sketch. So from here we can just add more details like this. Make sure the eyebrows are also symmetric, so they doesn't look too odd, you know. Also a bit more complicated if you have hair strains into the face, but for that you can also just practice with a bald head. Show you a tutorial on my channel, and yeah, so basically that's it. You always use these kind of guidelines, you know, First guideline is top of the ear, second guideline is like bottom of the ear, and then where the jawline starts for the nose, and in the middle of that and the chin we just draw the mouth. Just remember, this is just a rough idea. I will just finish the rough sketch so you can see what details do with your drawing, and we will see us next video. Peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.